Hi friends, welcome back to another video. Today in this video, I am going to tell you 10 lines on Statue of Unity in English. So it is very simple, so let's start the video. The Statue of Unity is about 182 meter or 597 feet tall, which seems to be touching the sky. The project of Statue of Unity was named as Gujarat's tribute to the nation. Located in the Narmada district of Gujarat, the base of the Statue of Unity is 58 meters high. The statue depicts Sardar Patel's virtue of uniting the people of all the princely states. The Statue of Unity is designed to withstand wind speed of over 180 km per hour. The statue can effectively withstand an earthquake measuring 6.5 on the Richter scale. The structure is made up of 6,500 tons of steel, 90,000 tons of cement, 25,000 tons of iron, 1,850 tons of bronze and some other materials. The statue is situated on the Sadhu Island in the Narmada River. The statue has an inbuilt gallery which provides a spectacular view of the Sardar Sarovar Dam. An exhibition hall has been opened on the base of the statue which displays the achievements of Sardar Patel. So hope you like this video guys. Please do subscribe my channel. If you have any query, please comment below. See you in the next video. Goodbye.